A very good morning to you, wherever you are. Sasa mimi, it's a good morning to me, and I appreciate the Almighty. Sasa, I'm from taking tea up there. That is the kanjia that you take you to Babu. So now I'm going downhill, actually. Downhill. Yes, I'm going back to the campsite. And the campsite is approximately 2 kilometers away from where I am. And as I go down the hill, you can see it's a rough road. It has rocks. If you're not careful, you can be tegwad. Then you fall on these rocks. So, and again, it's bushy. Don't know? So hapa, if you're not careful, you might meet Mr. Haina. There's a probability of you meeting Mr. Haina very early in the morning. You'd hear him. Ooh. Ooh. Hapa maji napitanga hapa juu actually hapa where the trains are heavily and the dam is spilling. See, water comes from that side going downstream to the other side. So hapa where I'm stepping right now, it's very tricky for you when you're crossing. Actually, locals, they cross through here, from here. See, they cross all through to the other side. If you're a veteran, you know where to pass through when it rains, because you can be swept away very easily, just like a blink of an eye. You'll be swept without you noticing. You'll be you'll be somewhere else saying motidu. Yeah? Sasa, I'm going up the hill again. I'm from that side. I'm coming from that side. Going to take tea from Babu. Sasa, I'm going up. I'm left now with a kilometer to go. Naona?